Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL and you can click here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on this window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.